Hi, I'm David Harry, and in this video I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So like I said, this is going to be a very quick unboxing. What I'm going to do is literally just open it up and then just take everything out just so we can see exactly what comes inside the box. So the first thing to do is get at this cellophane. Okay, so after the cellophane's off, what it is, this is actually like a sleeve that goes over the box. So on the front of the sleeve it simply says S9 Plus, tells us it's 128 gigabytes, and up here it just says Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And on the rear of the outer sleeve it's got a bunch of information about the phone. Now, like I say, I want to keep this really quick, so if you want to, just pause now and you can actually read through that list if you want, but I'm just going to take the sleeve off and then carry on with the unboxing. So now that we've got the outer sleeve off, what we've got here is just a classy little black box with Samsung written in the middle. And then on one of its sides, it's got a security seal. So I'm just going to take that seal off and let's get inside the box. So this is the box anyway, all ready to be opened up. And you know, I'm not really bothered about the packaging of stuff, but you know, if you're into packaging and stuff, I tell you what, you'll be really made up with this box. It just looks like it's well over engineered just for a box. So that's basically the box opened up, and then I'll take that out, and there we go, there's the phone underneath. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take everything out of the box on its own. We'll just see what's in there and I'll leave the phone till last. So the first thing out of the box is another box. And in this box we've got the eject tool, which is the little pin that we use for getting at the SIM card. And then inside here we have got a quick start guide. Next is the micro USB connector, and what this does, it allows you to plug in micro USB devices and it converts it to the USB-C socket, which is what the phone uses. And next up is a similar converter, but this one allows you to connect a full-size USB to the USB-C socket. Next up is a pair of AKG in-ear headphones, and these also come with some rubber adapters as well for various sized ear holes. This is a full-size USB to USB-C cable. This will be used to connect from the power supply to the phone's USB-C socket, and it will also provide fast charge capability. And here is the power supply that connects to that cable, which then connects to the phone, and as we can see here, it says it's for adaptive fast charging. And this is the underneath of the power supply. Now if you want to, again, just pause the video so you can read off the specs on it, but quite possibly the most important spec here to note is that it's a 2 amp power supply. And so to the phone itself, and as you can see, this is the front of the phone. There's not very much on the front. At the top we've got a couple of sensors. Then we've got the earpiece at the top, which is also a speaker, and then next to that we've got a camera, and this is what the back of the phone looks like. So as we can see, there is one camera there, another camera below it, because this is the Plus, it has 2 cameras. Underneath them we've got the fingerprint sensor, and next to the cameras we have got another light and a sensor. The left hand edge of the phone has got the volume rocker and the Bixby button, and the right hand edge has got the power button. On the top edge of the phone we've got the SIM card tray, which doubles up as an SD card tray as well, and then on the opposite side to that we have got another sensor. And on the bottom edge of the phone we have got the all important analog headphone socket, which also doubles up as the microphone input. Next to that we have got a USB-C socket, next to that the microphone, and then finally the other speaker. And finally, this is the entire content of the box for the Galaxy S9 Plus. And like I said from the outset, this was just going to be a very quick unboxing, and it was just to give us an idea of exactly what comes inside the box. But call back to my channel over the next couple of weeks, because I'm going to be doing a lot of testing with this phone, and very specifically to do with its camera and also its external microphone audio capabilities. So if you've got an interest in using smartphones for doing video work, and that could be for vlogging or for straight filming, or any interest in using a smartphone for audio, whether that be external microphones or external line inputs, then please call back, because like I say, I will be doing a lot of testing of this particular phone, because in my particular instance I want to see if this can be the perfect in your pocket video system, so it can travel with you anywhere and then you can pull it out at a moment's notice and start either vlogging or taking high quality video images and also high quality audio and dialogue. And you may also be interested in visiting the website that I've set up for hosting all the videos that I do about this this phone, and I'll also put other videos up there that I find of interest about this phone from around the internet, and that website is www.galaxys9plus.co.uk. So the last thing that remains for me to say right now is thank you very much for watching this video, take care and goodbye now.